welcome to the interview session with the BB Titans. Then we get 3. Okay, we would expect 2 people before, but right now we get Nigeria too sweet to the SSC. They know they wonder. It's like those guys never knew. I'm coming to Nigeria. So we get 3 evicted housemates for inside the house right now. JJ Juicy
to the freaking J, baby.
We have Modella Nana. Then we have the one and only Miracle.
Gege.
Miracle.
What are you saying? What are they saying?
Welcome to Naija FM. Welcome.
We actually did shocked to see JJ with us inside the building today.
So now, what Yaya?
Yeah.
So Yaya tell you say Nigeria is sweet. I mean, you say you go follow this because
no.
Because she came the last time. She was the first.
I was already coming. She just beat me to it. So
you had plans of like you must visit Nigeria before.
When I exited the house, I was like, I'm already coming. Okay. It's a matter of time. And now I'm here.
So how your time don't be so far? First of all, since you entered Nigeria, that was last night, Abi.
Yeah. So, amazing, man. Like ever since I landed, it was like I was breathing new air,
different from South Africa.
I walked into the airport, man. Like I received like a really nice welcome.
Cool.
To just come on. It's been amazing, and I've really been enjoying my time so far. I mean, it's gonna get crazier even more.
Oh, cool. Okay, Miracle. More start from you first. How you will define your time inside the house?
Bro, blessing. I feel like one word that I can put the whole experience was blessing. Blessing to meet great and talented people. Blessings to work with them.
Okay.
Blessings to even grace that stage and showcase my talent, because that was my number one priority going into the house, just showcasing my talents that God has given me. That's the major thing.
So if you say you achieved that aim to
I did.
Like people feel what Miracle fit do.
Yeah, I feel like the competitor in me, like I always said, would want to still be in the house, especially that Pepsi. Bro,
come on.
You never like every weekend, every week. Anytime they bring a brand test, I'm like, oh, Pepsi.
It's a bad time.
Take it easy with it. Pepsi.
So how much you win? Last night we thought this. How much you win?
I don't even know, bro.
But you win a lot, yeah.
I don't. I was a winner before I came into the house.
So you remain winner.
That energy.
See pride.
It's that energy, though. That energy.
Okay, for me, I want to talk to maybe start with the female amongst the 2 gentlemen. They talk to women first. And then maybe no lie. At all, Nana, you try. You be the first Nigerian female to win the HOH. You be the first person who win the Syntax. You be the same person who win the Travel Better. You be the same person who win the wager for Friday night. And at the same time, the night game, the Amstel task. Where's it be the juju where you carry that house?
At least if you not take first position, that one don't do.
You win.
The grace of God was following me, I should say. And then I was highly favored that moment. So it was my week. Yes, it was my week.
You're
week.
Now say that like before you enter that, you don't plan yourself. Okay, this is not the possible game with the happen. This is not how Peter win now. You strategize call like that.
No, I don't even know what was going to happen.
Or you just
in the
be
house.
compensating person normally before you enter the house.
Yes. But at first, I was just trying to, observe. Then I kicked out.
So one more rule. Now, Pigeon now will speak. They all this English.
Okay, we feel forgive JJ. We understand.
So Miracle Nana. Pigeon.
Straight Pigeon.
Pigeon. Maybe come back to the DCJ.
DCJ, you had a great time. Might start by that. Inside the house. It just be like say you enter the house, plan yourself in a Nigeria babe, I go hook up and you want to select. It be like say you can select the one when I know you know where I'm going to.
Yeah, I know where you're going.
So how you go define those whole moments with Yvonne, the whole experience inside the house, mix of cultures and the rest? Then
yeah, man. Listen, I had a really great time in the house. No lie. What an amazing experience. Also being paired up with people from different places, different countries. I enjoyed the Nigerian food that we were eating in the house.
Which one of them you enjoy?
Too much pepper. But it's fine. It's okay.
Now I say normally we not like pepper. Now the second person they complain pepper with this. No, like South African food, no pepper, not the spices.
It's not as much. It's there. It's
no, that's normal for us. Not
exactly. That's what I'm trying to say. Like it was a huge adjustment for me, but it was really nice. They made a funk soup for us there, so I really enjoyed that.
Your baby, now your baby maker.
She make a fast
stop cutting the
I mean I was singing with everyone in the house as well. I taught Miracle a lot of like in songs. He likes Delilah. I mean we got to connect a lot, man. So it was crazy. It was really nice.
So the whole arrangement for you now, the blend of culture when you get to discover about Nigeria. Now in house, your closeness with Yvonne, what you go say it draw you closer to Yvonne? Why Yvonne said?
I mean like her energy, man. Like I feel like she someone that like a lot of people like misunderstood
inside the house.
Like they thought
so now only you understand Yvonne.
Now they thought no, this girl is this and this and that. Like I probably thought the same as well because I misjudged her at the beginning. But nothing stopped me because I think her aura just drove me to her more and more. So and then I mean to my surprise as well,
she draw closer. Well, like you experience her now, you mean
exactly.
Now another experience they ask you actually, like you experience her, like experience.
Exactly. I mean, like I connect with her like a lot.
Like heavily,
like experience.
You connected with her.
Like our connection, experience.
I don't know which connection you guys are talking about.
What are you saying?
So may I ask the question again? How you would define you and Yvonne relationship inside the house, and how far the relationship be go?
Was the Bluetooth on?
Okay, now you get the question. We're not the hold anywhere. We just come outside, because we see some things for camera. We just want to see your mouth talking,
You don't get the answer.
What a man.
When we go back to you, Miracle. Yes, you be the hype man. Sorry, say you the. You know if you see my face.
You try to look for your face.
Sorry. So you be the hype man of this season, and at the same time, you get so many faces. You know, like that the way we say you and Yemi, the kind face. You they related to this guy, Charles. What's with that guy? Because the way you do that day, I saw him on your face. So you be the hype person of this season. The hype man of this season. And at the same time, we notice say anytime any of the housemates they sick, you know, you do always take care of them. Not that kind of person you be on your own strategy.
No, honestly,
just today loved by people outside. Say, oh, you are this caring guy, Miracle.
Funny enough, that's not even like maybe the thing that will come my head first.
Okay.
Naturally, I come from a family whereby like we guys care for each other, and I always tell people like I give my mama heart. Shout out to my mom. I have my mama heart. So no matter what relationship I may have with you, I guys take care of you. If you say you ill, I guys show love. And at the same time, also I think it's also from also the pharmaceutical side things as well. So like most of the things that were in the house were probably just like maybe being people overstressed and like if they don't eat properly or like if
you advise them
exactly and it was just like a simple flu. So like I guess know how
where your pigeon side day.
So you not did Nigeria before you go big brother?
I was working in Nigeria by school in America.
Okay. So now that accent of America went to school. Now you see the return.
If I enter market, you broken studio.
Oh yeah, maybe we come back to Nana. Nana, we notice you too. Will be the thing say maybe now one of your strategy you go use your man talker. You they make hair no be small. You thought to the in-house hair stylist for the housemates. If like say you do for almost all the female housemates for inside the house. You get your own salon outside the house.
No, so
talk the way you
but yeah, it wasn't a strategy. I know how to make hair. So and then there was no salon. Like it took time before Big Brother brought salonists into the house. So like I just needed to like help all of them because even though we'll be carrying cornrows that is you can plant something on it. So I just decided to like nobody was actually coming out to do it. So I said let me just help them. So it wasn't a strategy at all.
So Juicy J, he gets one thing where people they talk, say at the point, Biggie talk say, okay, you want that to the pair both the Nigerian, South African people together. So some people come they talk, say this pairing where we say Biggie do, say some housemate they carry the other housemate put for head, pass the way where we say the housemate puts their own effort into the group, So some people call the talk say now after Biggie deserve the pairing where they in their house. Now then you can't see so okay, be like say the weak link them. Now then they evicted come up from the house. So for you, where we say you stay in the house for a very long time before they evict you, you feel say some housemates actually put their effort into their group, and truthfully say some housemate they carry some housemate put for head past the way the other housemates put the effort for the job.
me being me, like I don't really feel like certain people weren't putting effort whatsoever, like
your group,
you know what I mean, like I put in effort because I mean for my athletic background, I'm an athlete, it's just me, you know what I mean, so obviously I do keep people accountable, right, and within my actions, people can tend to draw and follow suit to that. So, if ever follows suit. Whoever doesn't. You know what I mean? But also, it's a game, good people. I'm in a business of playing games in terms of like my athletic. I come from a rugby background. You get me? So you win some, you lose some. You know what I mean? You don't make any excuses. If you lose, just go back to the drawing board.
So what you try to now? It was just only about you. You not really care
about the other housemates. So maybe ask you, Miracle. You feel say you are Kosi being a peer.
Yeah.
You feel say Kosi actually put more effort into the group than you, or you feel say equal effort now put together?
Yo, shout out to Kosi first of all. Hope she goes very far in the competition. 2 more weeks. Y'all should vote. But what I'm saying is this: when it came to parents, me and Kosi always said we're the dream team because I feel like a combination of both of us was solid. Like she had her own journey individual wise in the house, I had mine, and sometimes it was merged. So I felt like we were a good combo that complemented each other for sure. We're a very, very good combo that complemented each other. I don't think there was one person that carried more weight than the other. I think there's a reason why it was called Big Brother Titans for a reason, because if they're bringing you as an individual, that means you can rock as an individual. So if they now put you together as a group, that's just increasing the magnitude of being Titans, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's the
okay, you're one of the closest person when you do relationship with now this thing, Kosi. How you would define the partnership? How you would define us
now?
No, like inside the house, how you would define your closeness?
Your partnership.
That's my sister right there.
Yeah. How you would define us?
Kosi's a calm girl, bro. Good-hearted person, misunderstood. I feel like
misunderstood by the inside housemates.
Yeah, definitely inside housemates for sure. I don't know how.
Why if you say most of them misunderstood that?
Maybe because she didn't have that many close conversations with people. Like she wasn't the type of person that I'm gonna have a close conversation with you. I'm gonna have a close conversation with you. Yeah, like if she vibed with you naturally, she'll just vibe with you. She's not gonna force anything, which was just her person. For sure, a competitor. Like bro. So she's competitive. I remember when we doing like some brand tasks and we come up with concepts.
She did deliver.
Bro, not even delivery. Even before we present, she'll be like, nobody should know. Nobody should be hiding it. And people don't really look, but she'll just be hiding it because that's like her competitive side of things. And that's why I feel like me and her blended so well because I'm competitive, she's competitive. She wants to win, I want to win. So like she's a great person.
Who you go say you really did closer to inside the house? Then maybe who you also feel say you and the person spirit not gel together.
Like me and the person spirit are we day one.
Then the one are not gel together.
I have a couple people that we gelled. My twin right here, Ikenna. Meli, Epeleng, Kosi.
Okay. With the people when you feel so in our spirit not gel together, call. They're not fear. Mention name.
I can't think. Because I like me personally, I try and vibe with everybody. Okay. So I don't. And maybe I'll say Theo, because me and Theo didn't really get time to talk.
So whether you like him or not, if you no talk, no worry. Let me come and he talk.
Yo,
Yemi come me talk. So so for I see say na don't do one live section already as una come out from the house, you, Nana, and Blue.
Yeah.
So people come they ask you, questions. Some people come they ask you say, shey you feel say Yemi being play Blue. So that one. So we won't throw the question directly at you now. You feel say Yemi no dey good enough for Kosi?
I have enough.
You be a partner for you be a group.
Did I think that he was good enough for Kosi?
Yes, like he was good enough for Kosi.
Honestly and truthfully, I feel like that's for Kosi to answer, bro. Like I'll be straight up with you.
The reason why we they ask you be say, at a point when they been get misunderstanding and you always go to ask Kosi, are you good? You good? To the extent that they tell you say, bro, I'm having a conversation here, bro.
No, but like I feel like that's the thing though. Like if, for example, like you guys work close together, I'm sure you guys been working for a long time. If she's not doing good, no matter who she's talking to, because you be like, bro, you good? Like I feel like that was just me like, asking.
See, I'm not yet. I'm not.
Not be saying if you say Yemi now. Okay, you as a guy, not say Yemi.
No, I'm just checking on my partner. Are you good? Because we just came through an eviction process, another eviction. We're up every week. We used to call ourselves the MVP. Like we're up every week, and like
so that just you protecting.
Yeah, and also was
group partner.
Yeah, also was brought up in that Sunday as well. So I was just like, bro, you good? Are you straight? And I wasn't hearing anything from her. I'm not trying to hear from him. I'm trying to hear from her. Yeah.
Okay, we'll move back to the beautiful Nana. Coven. The Coven mama.
The Coven was rise.
Yes, so maybe move to this your Coven now. How una take select yourself, from this gossip group?
I would say it was just a connection.
Una be gossipers normally, na connection.
That's the Coven.
So and we met we came together the first night that we entered into the house. So like I would say it's a mutual something. Even though at some point some of us were like, I'm sure I won't vibe with this person when we entered the house. But after we okay, it was in the night, they all came to my bed. That was when we started talking, and then we just blended and things were going on smoothly.
The reason why I ask about this Coven be say a lot of the viewers at home feel saying after Olivia leave, now they start to see the best version of you.
Olivia,
they your Coven now. You, Yvonne, Olivia.
With Jenny.
Your gossip partner.
With Jenny, yeah. So, but some people, been say, okay, baby, I don't know, but from some of the things where I see, they say when Olivia left, say now Olivia or Jenny, I need to be very sure.
It's Jenny.
Jenny, so when Jenny been leave, say you can't become a better person. They say another version of you where they be no see before. So maybe I don't know. They see Jenny like distraction to you.
Jenny wasn't a distraction actually. She was just a friend, and among friends, there's someone that you are really close with. And for me, it was Jenny. We were always together. She wasn't really a distraction. And then when she left, actually, I missed her when she left because I was even down for a moment when she left. But, there are things she told me, certain things, we all wanted to win. I was like, okay, since this girl is not here, let me do it for us.
Okay.
So, I just picked up. And then, even though I would still be down, but I was like, okay, let me do this for us. Not like she was dragging me back or anything.
Okay.
Or I would say that was when I came out of my shell, I was holding myself back.
Talking about coming out of your shell, one of those arrangements outside the house when people get off you, now about your sexuality. And there's something actually make people kind of get a feel. Say, they knew. Maybe this part of the society would they never accept 100% as most people be. Like how you would define your sexuality?
My sexuality is straight.
It's straight. You like man.
I like man.
Talking with pride now. Why they?
I like man.
Okay.
Guy.
so what you can bring about the whole kissing with your fellow girl housemate?
Just like I've explained this part too much, but
no, you never explained that to us. So now first time you see this.
But okay, I did my interview with Ibuka. I would say that the whole thing. I don't want I'm going to brace up to my mess up. Okay. I was I drank a lot.
The influence of alcohol.
Yes, it was influence of alcohol because even me the next day I wasn't okay. Yes, I wasn't okay. Throughout that thing really got to me every day I was even sick. Even Big Brother was scared because I was always thinking about it. Like, okay, I was scared of the outside world. Like, what's happening outside? What will people say? Yes. So yeah, it was alcohol because I was drunk. I was.
No,
people were drunk.
Not be the version of
no. People were drunk. Like, I've never done it before. Like, to like in my clear sense, no.
See, the best way was with this surprise.
Miracle, yeah.
Miracle, look you now like this.
Miracle, what's come your mind that time when
what's going on
What do you mean? When that happened, I was cooking. I was focused in cooking. I just looked at the sign and I was asking people,
what's going on here?
Went back to my cooking.
So after
that song very important.
Okay.
That song where you sing. You know, teach us wait. You need to sing.
You're gonna help me, Miracle.
Which one?
You're gonna help me, yeah?
Which one are we doing?
Forward to the one to forward.
Tanana something.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Tan, eyo ha, tanana na na na, tanana na na, tanana na na. Yo, see it in our God. Hey!
Okay, sharply right now, not much time because you got there our sister station. So Miracle, and if I this one go be to the guy self after Yemi they evicted, you know say new collabo can they happen between Yemi Kosi and Taban.
Yeah.
So how you go? What will be your take on that?
No, she knows my take on it. I told her I was like, because after Yemi left, we get conversation. She was like, the Yemi will leave, the Yemi way she wants, and the Yemi way she they look for throughout the whole season.
Okay. Now the person when she wants,
now the person way she want, like the behavior way the guy show towards the end of the season. Now the person way she wants. I say, okay, no wahala, I don't want drag anything, I don't want add and remove. I was like, even now the guy way you want, make sure you respect. Make sure you respect that. And I knew even before her and Taban start their this thing, immediately Yemi go. I had a conversation. I was like, yo, waiting I know say you won't do not do.
Oh, so you already picture her saying they go that she they go that direction
I already. She go that side. I say waiting you won't do no because for Yemi, I felt like her and Yemi vibed. They vibed number one due to the fact that they were in the house, like they entered the house together. But I feel like the physical attraction was there. But for my own opinion, I feel like the person where she gets the more serious conversation, intellectual conversation with Tabang.
Okay.
And I always told her that, and I was just like, yo. When Yemi left, I was like, "Oh my, waiting you want to do
But you're not sure when she say carry go ahead still.
I never see them. I never see them actually do waiting. Everyone they talk about until I come outside and I say,
they see what they really do.
Like, oh really? Even the time where they barbecue. On the days like Jimmy Sinton, they do that. I was like, no respect.
So like you know some things when it really happen inside the house. So among every couples inside the house, you will say they really get down well steadily.
Well steady.
Yeah. Juicy J and
Yvonne.
Wow.
KJ.
Okay, so if one look for criminal now when they use condom pass, now them.
Who them?
Yeah, right.
Those two.
No, not serious with me, not this.
No, so, but their relationship was
heavy. You see the outside he has, they continue something like that.
Yeah. I mean,
Juicy J.
I feel like my guy here is better to answer.
I mean, it don't end like that.
No, nah.
After the house, is there a possibility of you and
yes?
Why yeah. You know, let her talk.
No, he don't talk. And during the interview with Ebuka, Ella say they go continue. They go continue.
Oh, you continue.
Yeah.
So you they call Nigeria more often.
Yeah.
Why you call for house?
Now my sister, so you're coming back. Now we are coming back. So we're still talking about relationship. You know, go with that. We also asking about you and the black. You understand? So no thing say you go escape that one, my sister. No vex. So you and the black boy now. You know. Miracle, you're a troublemaker. How you feel when Blue enter into the old picture?
I was good because at that moment we were just there. Yeah, we were just there. Like even though he stated his intentions, but I wasn't cool with what he wanted actually, because that was when I started sensing, his game whatever. So I just like, okay, let's see how it goes. Let's keep it.
Even like the home wife where they carry another wife come meet, so you must accept, ba?
Yeah, from my stage is a normal thing. So like it's something that I was good with it. Like, but he wanted to play games, so that was why like I switched up everything. Because
right now they miss both of the two wives. So. They miss both
no,
of
there's
you.
nothing going on between me
and
and
nothing they journey about itself. No, it was just a game.
Yeah, it was just at first.
Yeah. Okay.
At first, like first. But when I realized things, I'll be like, okay, no.
Don't go.
Yeah.
It is well. Juicy.
Sharp.
Juicy.
So for you now, waiting you go or miss pass for inside the Big Brother house as you don't come out so.
Man, like the whole experience. Obviously, like I enjoyed Big Brother's house from literally the bathroom to the jacuzzi outside. I think one big moment for me that I will miss the most was when we were singing 4-way-2 with everyone in the house, and how everyone connected in song. Because I was just sitting down with the gents. We're just having dinner, and I was like, you know what? This reminds me of obviously a time where I'm just chilling with my rugby boys, and we'll eat and we'll chill and just drink. Now, Ikwijo, I'm from the Eastern Cape in South Africa, right? Ikwijo is a music that we sing in connections to connect with it, like in sport, in when we go play sports in our traditional ceremonies. So it's something that's kind of like sung and used to connect people
together.
And in that moment, despite where we came from, despite who you are and whatever you thought you were, in that moment,
you guys
I remember the time, there was certain people that kind of like beefing amongst each other. In that moment, nothing mattered. Like, beefs that were kind of like going around, if you hated someone or not, if you disliked them, we came together in song, in unification. And for me, that was like a moment. So I'll always cherish that moment forever.
Okay. All right. Nana, what about you? Wait till you go miss pass for inside the Biggie house.
I'll miss everything actually. I'll miss my friend that is still, and the tax like that we all did, and the drama that was happening in the house. I'll miss it. I'll miss everything. I'll miss the experience, like, because it's something that I've always like, wanted, and then I got it. So I'll miss everything.
Okay. Miracle, you.
I'll miss Cocoa Puffs and
Me?
Yes, sir.
I'll miss the camaraderie, bro.
You go miss wait. Put your mouth to the mic.
Sorry, I'll miss the camaraderie. Definitely, the camaraderie between my brothers are outside with me, so some of them are still in there.
Okay.
East Cave stand up. Shout out to Justin. Let's go. Definitely miss like the wager task presentations.
Okay.
Miss Ipeleng.
We are still coming to her.
Pussy. Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, like no.
So
before you go now, you feel say the Ibubu where Ipeleng pick. Ibubu. Our brother. You feel say. Now because Ipeleng won't stay on the safer side, because when that picking actually happened on that Sunday night, waiting the trend for Twitter, we say, oh, she make the right shot, say she they try to pick the weaker link, joy body, so that she no go carry person we go they very competitive joy body. So for you feel say that same thing Ipeleng actually do.
I can remember that night Black Boy day next to me, and me and him were talking, and I feel like in Black Boy's head he thought say Ipeleng go pick on.
Yeah.
I just want get his mind ready, tell him say, "I'm no go pick because
you're too strong."
She no go pick
okay,
me.
like say you build the confidence, not bring your spirit down.
She no go pick me, and I doubt she go pick 30. So she no go seem say she go the true side. She definitely not picking Kanaga.
Okay.
So me personally, I want to pick Ibu because in my head throughout that game, I thought Ibu was strong outside. I mean his vibe. And also, he's also coming from a demographic of people who have never been on Big Brother.
So the support supposedly.
Exactly, you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
So me personally, I wouldn't have taken Ibu, but I'd have taken someone else in the house.
Okay.
But her thought process about is definitely taking somebody I believe I can stand against and win the final, which is smart.
So this question I would wrap up right now, and to every one of them right now. inside the house different now, so now don't come outside they different right now. From waiting I don't observe outside of the house, who now feel say he go end up as the winner of this big B
Titan.
Who? Let's start with Juicy. Who?
With me. For being honest.
Yeah. So who you feel say get the vibe last with the observation outside the house right now to win? Yeah.
What? They're trying to.
No. Just get. Just
watch your step.
Well, obviously, you guys know who my favorite is to win the show. Okay, so I'll keep it at that.
You give it at that.
To who waiting? To who?
Yvonne. Yvonne's gonna win it.
Baby.
You don't fear to measure Yvonne name. Yvonne, your babe.
Where's her name now?
I'm shy now. You guys are making me shy. Look at the way he's looking at me. Look at the way he's looking at me.
Okay, so Yvonne is your winner,
yes,
right?
Yes.
Nana, for you.
For me, I have to.
Okay.
But I don't know how to put them, so I'm giving it to somebody else, which is able.
Well, hold on, you get two. You want to leave the two when you get go give on that.
Yeah, because I want two of them.
You want me to two of them lost?
No, like
okay.
I love them
Who
so
be the
much.
two first of all?
My partner Tabang and Yvonne.
Okay, now
like,
for one
so
they
yes,
win now.
but I don't know how they are going to struggle. But if none of them, I would like to
win now.
like,
okay.
You don't say now Ibubu you mentioned.
Yes.
Okay, Ibubu.
Okay. Miracle for you.
I have a couple people.
Okay.
So honestly, I feel like it's either going to be my partner.
Okay.
From the Nigeria side, I feel like it's going to be KJ.
KJ.
But I also feel like Tabang and Ipileng.
They're strong. Okay.
Hopefully Ipilengo.
Ipileng. Okay. Next for you right now, then show your social media handle for those who like follow up to follow your journey because a new big stage with this right now. Let us know what it then next for you, then social media handle.
Next for me, entertainment, everything entertainment, acting, presenting, skit making, podcast. Shout out to Talk Your Talk podcast. You already know the vibes. But yeah, that's what it's gonna be for me. My social media handle is _MiracleP.
Miracle.
That's for my Instagram _MiracleP, and my Twitter is Miracle Okafor Paul 1. So you guys go follow me. Please show love, support me, and I'll keep supporting you guys.
Na.
For me, I'm really like looking forward to working with like the entertainment industry, everything that is inside, and then also I want to push my this modeling thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to.
So you want that wrong way?
Yes, I want to show them my catwalk. And also my brand itself, Nana Empire, I want to like build it very well. So yeah, something is coming. And then yeah, my social media is Nana Official __1 for my Instagram. My Twitter is that place is hell. So
that place they drag you well. You know that make it remember don't worry.
But yeah, if you can find me on Twitter, just follow me. I guess it's Nana something.
It's official Nana.
Yeah, it's official.
Official Nana.
Even person has
official Nana.
Can you see your followers telling you?
Thank you guys. So just follow me there. All my social media.
DJ that is juicy.
He's moving to Nigeria for me. We don't see us for Lucky Festival for her.
So yeah, man, the future for me now. Obviously, I'm working to get back on the rugby field because the dream and the journey to being a Springbok. And representing my country. There we go. And representing my country is still alive. So I'm working on my knee now to get back onto that. Tapping into the media space. Hosting, acting. Tapping into heavy like fashionable stuff because the content plus is here and content plenty. So I need to move on it. And just growing the Juicy J brand. And obviously on my social media handles, Juicy J _official on Instagram, Juicy J _Sia on Twitter, and Juicy J _ on TikTok.
Okay, thank you. Wish you now all the best on top of the new level.
So on top the original Naija FM 102.7 We Radio.